everybody and welcome to Beauty for the Win. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make your very own hair scalp scrub. And there's three main reasons why you would want to do this. Number one is that it cleanses the scalp of dead skin and product buildup. We use a lot of products in our hair that can stay on the surface even after rinsing, and this will help eliminate that. Number two is it circulates blood flow to the scalp and it helps to get those hair follicles growing. Number three is actually dandruff. Now, I don't personally suffer from that, but if you do, this is a great way to help get rid of that. If you've ever tried the hair scalp scrub by Christoph Robin from Sephora, you may notice that the sea salt pieces are pretty big. And I've seen this in a couple scrubs actually for your scalp. I don't like that texture, so what I use is a fine to medium size sea salt. So the pieces are smaller and you get a lot better coverage. Okay, let's get started. So if you want, you can do this in a mixing bowl, but personally I just put it right into my container here. And what you're going to need is very simple, 3 ingredients: sea salt, peppermint oil, and then you're going to need a extra virgin olive oil. Now, if you don't want to use olive oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use avocado oil, there's a bunch of different oils you can use. The reason why I'm not measuring this out is because it depends on what kind of container you're using. I'm just using a smaller container here, so you really have to just judge this by making a paste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill most of my container with the sea salt. So right about there is good. Okay, and then what I want to do is add in the olive oil at a slow pace. You want to just do it slowly until you get a thick paste that you would be happy with putting on your hair. So this is the consistency that I've ended up with, and I'm very happy with it. For the last step here, very simple. A couple drops of peppermint oil helps to stimulate hair growth, as well as it makes it smell a lot better. So there it is, the very easy to make DIY hair scalp scrub. So what I recommend with this is to use it twice weekly or a minimum of once a week. So 1 to 2 times a week is perfectly fine. I wouldn't do it every hair wash. And that is my recommendation. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and subscribe because I will be making more videos soon.